Hmm. Hmm. I taste like candy. So dance with me. I taste like candy. I'm in the world. Can you hear me? Do you like my body? And the Nikki. Oh my god, like he just really play. He really play. Like he was just irking my face. Like I never feel like dealing with him. Like I just left. Like girl, cause no. Like his hair was plain nappy. He was slopping up everything. He was so daggone broke that he took me to McDonald's and got him a damn Big Mac because he's so big. Like, oh my god, he irks my face. He was like so cheap. He got money, and the whole time he was really driving his best friend car, and he ain't never had no license or nothing. Like, oh my god, like I thought we was gonna crash. Oh my god, like just boom, bitch. Like, cause no, he like people are so ratchet nowadays. Like, ow, like they so ratchet. Like they so ghetto that they wait for Halloween to go to Kmart to buy their wigs 'cause they know they can't afford them daggone wigs at their real hairs. So like these girls are so ghetto nowadays. Like and they be lying to us they gotta get wigs 'cause they don't want to dye their hair, mess up their hair. You last time I checked, bitch, you ain't even got no hair. Like oh my god, they irks my face. Like he really play like he's be getting these ratchet girls and just add them on his Facebook and Instagram. He be on Uwu and Tiny Chat and all these other chat and websites with these raggedy hoes. Like oh my god, he's hurt my face. I think I want a divorce. Divorce. Like he is doing the mouse. He doing the mouse. Cause he ratchet.